Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we'll see Standard 8th and Subject Science. In that, chapter number 7, Conservation of Plants and Animals. In the previous two videos, we have seen up to main 6. Today we'll see from main 7. Explain giving scientific reasons. 2 marks each. Number 1. Global warming is the result of deforestation. Answer is global warming means increase in temperature on the earth. Trees or green cover decreases on earth due to deforestation. The rate of photosynthesis decreases because of fewer trees. Less amount of CO2 is used. Amount of CO2 increases in the atmosphere. It traps the heat rays reflected by earth. So, increase in temperature, it means global warming is a result of deforestation. Now see the question number 2. Population of tiger increased by implementation of Project Tiger. Answer is tiger is an endangered animal whose numbers were diminishing to a level that might face extinction. Project Tiger was launched by the government to protect the tigers in the country. The objective of this project was to ensure the survival and maintenance of the tiger population. Tiger is declared as protected animal and hunting of it is strictly prohibited under this project. So by implementation of Project Tiger, population of tiger increased. See the question number 3. Recycling of paper should be done. Answer is to make 1 ton of paper, 17 full grown trees are cut. By saving of paper, we can reduce the number of cutting trees. Paper can be recycled by 5 to 7 times for use. So by reuse and recycle, we can save the trees. Therefore, again we will see the answer. To make 1 ton of paper, 17 full grown trees are cut. By saving of paper, we can reduce the number of cutting trees. Paper can be recycled 5 to 7 times for use. So by reuse and recycle, we can save the trees. Therefore, recycling of paper should be done. Now see the next page. See the main 8. Write 2 points of differences, 2 marks each. Difference between wildlife sanctuary and biosphere reserve. Point 1. It is an area where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. And in biosphere reserves, it is a large area of protected land for conservation of wildlife. Example, plant and animal resources. Point 2. Hunting and poaching of animals are prohibited here, and here many sanctuaries and national parks are included in it. Now see the number 2. Difference between endangered species and extinct species. Number 1. The species which are at the verge of extinction are called endangered species, and here the species which exist no more on the earth are called extinct species. Point 2. Tiger, lion, elephant, wild buffaloes and barasingha are endangered species, and extinct species. Dinosaur is an extinct species. Now see the main 9. Match the following properties. Write the alphabet index of column B in the answer box. 4 marks each. First of all, we will see the column A. Kaziranga, Golaghat. Number 2, Great Nicobar. Number 3, Lokhchau. Number 4, Western Ghat. And in column B, A. Lion Sanctuary, B. National Park, C. Biosphere Reserve, D. Wildlife Sanctuary, and E. Unique Biodiversity. Number 1, Kaziranga, Golaghat match with the B. National Park. Number 2, Great Nicobar match with the C. Biosphere Reserve. Number 3, Lokhchau match with the Wildlife Sanctuary. Number 4, Western Ghat match with the Unique Biodiversity. Now see the second one, column A and column B. In that first one, sanctuary, 2 national park, 3 zoo, and 4th one biosphere. Column B, A, protection of complete ecosystem of environment. B, uppermost region of the atmosphere. C, animals and their habitat are protected from any disturbance. D, animals are protected in cage. E, a part where living organism exist. Now see the number 1, match with the sanctuary, match with the C, animals and their habitat are protected from any disturbance. Number 2, national park match with the aim protection of complete ecosystem of environment. Number 3, zoo match with the D, animals are protected in cage. And number 4, biosphere match with the E, a part where living organism exist. Now see the next page. Main 10. Answer the following questions in detail. 4 marks each. Number 1. State the consequence results of deforestation. Answer is the consequence results of deforestation are as follows. Increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. The increase in temperature on the earth, reduce rainfall and may cause drought. Soil erosion increases and fertility decreases. Fertile land gets converted into deserts. Decrease in water holding capacity of the soil. Decrease in nutrition content of the soil and adverse effect on soil texture. Existence of wildlife may be threatened due to loss of their natural habitat. Now see the number 2. Explain Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserve. Answer is Biosphere Reserve is a large area of protected land for conservation of wildlife and traditional life of the tribals living in the area. The Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserves consist of one national park named Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries named Bori and Pachmarhi. Fauna of the Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserves are Chinkara blue bull, nilgai, barking deer, chital, leopard, wild dog, wolf, etc. Flora of the Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserve are sal, teak, mango, jamun, silver fern, arjun, etc. Endemic species of Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserves are sal and wild mango, bison and giant flying squirrel. Here your chapter is completed and we will see the ninth chapter in the next video.